Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Okay, today I'm going to show you my entire Ellen Wille Modixx collection. Now, all of the wigs you're going to see here today are from wigstudio1.com. I either purchased them myself or they were provided to me previously for video review, but they're all from Wig Studio One. And let me tell you, we are having a storm here today. It has been unbearably hot down here in the south. And today we are actually getting some rain and thunder and lightning. So if you hear that in the background, please forgive me, but the show must go on. So we're going to go ahead. I really wanted to get this filmed for you today. All right, all of the hair I'm going to show you today, I've already reviewed it all. You know these kind of videos I do. I'm just going to show you these wigs. And if you want to see the full review on them, all you have to do is go to the drop down box below this video and there will be a link there to all of these wigs. Now, I have multiple colors and some of the same styles here, but I want to show you the different colors. And how I'm going to do this one today is I'm going to go through all 10 of these wigs. I'm going to take them out of the box. I'm going to show you the style. I'm going to show you the color. I'm going to show you the cap. And then at the end of the video, I'll have a little presentation showing me in each one of these. So you'll see them on, but it'll be at the end of the video. So this MODIXX collection, I have really enjoyed this collection from Ellen Wille. If you're not familiar with it, these are synthetic fibers. They've taken the features from all of their different collections, some of the features from those different collections, and combined them to make this collection. And I thought that was a great idea. So there's some fashion forward styles like they have in the Perushi collection. There's some classic styles like in the Hair Power collection. And then there's some really beautiful, luxurious caps similar to the ones you'll find in the Hair Society collection. But I just wanted to show you what I have collected so far in the MODIXX collection. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first off is my Narano mono part, and the first one I'm going to show you is in the color Sand Mix. Let's just look at the cap. It has a mono part. It has a lace front, open wefted, closed ear tabs. It has a non-extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. So that's the cap on this one. And like I said, this color is Sand Mix. This is a pretty bob. It has this sweeping bang. The front of this is 8.5. The crown is 10.5. The sides are 7.5, and it has a 3.5 inch nape. So it's a little bit longer nape here. That is a nice feature as well. And now Sand Mix, blended shades, light ash blonde, and then it has some dark ash blonde as well, and some medium golden blonde, Sand Mix. Okay, here's my Narano, and this color is Sahara Beige Shaded, one of my favorite new colors they came out with. Darker roots on this one, medium golden blonde, and it has a very light strawberry blonde in this as well, and there is also some light ash blonde in it. That's a beautiful color. Now, like I said, I have already reviewed all of these wigs, and in the reviews there are pictures of these wigs. There is video and indoor and outdoor lighting, so you can see the color in the videos in the drop down box below. Okay, so the next one up is Rica. Now, I have enjoyed this wig so much, I have it in 3 shades. It is just such a cute, short style, has these little flippy flared ends. I like the style of this. It has a lace front, and then it has a small mono crown, you can see there. Then it is just open wefted, closed ear tabs, Velcro adjusters, and this one has an extended felt nape. And this color is Ivory Blonde Shaded. Again, a little darker root. And this one has that pearl platinum. It has some dark ash in it. It has some silver white in it. I think this is a very wearable, beautiful shade. Now, the front of Rica is 3.25, and the sides and the nape are 3. Ivory Blonde Shaded. Okay, here's Rica, and this color is Nut Multi-Lighted. I think it is such a pretty color. Look at the highlighting around the face of this. Medium brown, and then it's blended with auburn, gold, and strawberry blonde. And it really has the strawberry blonde highlights around the face of this. This is a nice color, nut multi-lighted. Okay, and finally, this color, red vino shaded. You'll see it in a couple other styles here, but I loved it on Rica. This one also has a dark root here, dark auburn, light auburn mixing through, and copper red highlights. This is such a dynamic, beautiful color. All right, the next one I want to show you is my Ferrara Mono. Wow, have I enjoyed this wig. This is such a beautiful shape on this style. I think it has a lace front and a mono part. It's low density. It has an extended lace front, as you see. Closed ear tabs, open wefted, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. This is just such a beautiful shaggy style, shoulder length wig, and it is full of layers and flips. I really enjoy this wig and have worn it so many times. The front of it is 5.5. The crown, sides, and nape are all 8 inches. So pretty. Now this color is Bahama Beige shaded. So beautiful with this rooting. And then it is a medium honey blonde. It has light ash blonde. The tiniest amount of a reddish brown running through here. Beautiful blonde shade. Bahama Beige shaded. Now I could not pass up getting Ferrara in red vino shaded. I had to. It is so beautiful. You can see this color now on a longer style. We looked at it on Rica, which was a short pixie, but now here it is on a longer style. Again with the dark root, the dark and light auburn mixing all through it, and some copper red highlights. Dynamic, beautiful color. Okay, next I'm going to show you my Piemonte Super. Now, this is another short, fun style. I have it in champagne shaded. Short, fun, easy to wear bob. Now, this has a beautiful hand-tied cap. Mono top, lace front. Look at this cap. It is gorgeous. Extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. Just a beautifully done cap on this wig. Let you see this color, champagne shaded, darker root again. Now this has different shades of blonde. This is a light beige, a medium honey blonde, some platinum running through here. It has a front of 4.5 inches. It has sides of 6.5, and then it has a short 2.25 inch nape. This has been a really popular style and color. Now this is a brand new style, has not been out long. This is Perla. I have it in beige pastel shaded. I was so excited to get to review this color because I think it is so beautiful. This just went up on my channel a few days ago. I like the shaggy beachy wave here. This has more of a shattered end, more of a shag look on this one. The front is 4. Crown is 8 on this one. The sides are 10, and it has a 6.5 inch nape. Now this is a basic cap. Now it does not have a lace front, but it has this tiny mono disc there, mono crown, very small. Open wefted, closed ear tabs, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. But look at this color. So pretty, beige pastel shaded. It has a lighter root. And it has this gorgeous pearl platinum running through here. Again, a little bit of that light reddish brown. And there is pure white. And you will see that on the ends of this wig. So it has the pearl platinum, the light reddish brown there around the root, and pure white. Really nice new color. So I saved one of my favorites for the last. This is Onda. You know, this has been fairly new. It's been out a little while. It has a lace front and a mono part. It's also open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. I have mine in the very popular color Bahama Beige shaded. These curls, this fun wavy bob, the front of it is 6.5 inches. The crown is 9, the sides are 8.75, and it has a 9-inch nape. This is so pretty. Look at these waves, it's beautiful. Now this color, Bahama Beige shaded, again, darker root, and it is very blended. It has honey blonde going through here, light ash blonde, and again, that same lightish red brown. Really blended, beautiful color. Bahama Beige shaded. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed having a look at my collection. I love showing it to you. I like doing these videos that I just show a lot of wigs, and I have a lot of Ellen Wille wigs. And so I kind of want to show them to you in collections. That way you kind of get to see what the collection is about and what I have in it. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.